Want to create drawer in new app? Follow me. Open the project. Use the parameter drawer and pass drawer widget. Drawer is now created. You can use child property of drawer widget to add elements, and also can change background color using this property. Let's move one step forward. I am starting with new project. Make sure to add this package. Create these classes. Move to homepage class and add these lines of code. Make sure to import the package. Move to main page class and add app bar. Apply the leading property with icon button. Add the shown unpressed function. Change the background color of menu class. Hot restart the project. And try it out. Wow, it's amazing. Let's create a list of drawer items. And create an object for drawer item. Create constructor with title and icon property. Add list elements. Add these lines of codes. Now again hot reload. Drawer items added successfully. Add one more parameter and list item object for page. Pass the page as the value of positional parameter. Create page for the payment. Create named parameter on menu screen widget to pass selected page. Call it from untap function by passing the page of object. Declare the data type of onPage change property and make it required. Pass the value of the property from my home page. Create the variable and store the main page as selected page. And pass the it from main screen property of zoom drawer. Call the setState method to set the value of page once the page changes. Let's check it out. It's working as expected. Let's decorate the payment page. Now it's looking quite good. Move to my home page to complete rest functionality. Wrap it with Builder widget. Add these codes to navigate properly. Check it again. Wow, it is working amazingly. Let's add app bar to the payment page. And also icon button to open drawer. Now it is perfect for now. Oh, I think we also have to add title for main screen. Now all good. Thank you for watching.